Hello everyone, this is Wenz Dianne. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we will make tamanegi ham cheese pan or Japanese onion ham cheese bread. Now let's start with 300 grams sifted bread flour, 3 grams of fine salt, 40 grams granulated sugar, 4 grams dry yeast, and 200 ml warm milk. Give a nice stir to mix all the ingredients. Don't forget to wash your hands before touching. Now add the 15 grams of butter and then knead again. This will be messy at first, but later you will get your desired texture. Continue kneading in clean and spacious surface until you get the soft and elastic dough. Form a ball and put it in a bowl, cover and let it sit for 1 hour or until you get the double size. Release the gas and flatten the dough. Cut in 8 pieces. Form a ball, cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, flatten the dough. Add the roast ham. Roll carefully. Seal the edges. Fold from the middle. Then cut. Unfold and widen. Place into small parchment paper. Place in your baking tray, cover, and let it sit for 40 minutes. Now thinly slice one whole onion. Put kitchen paper in baking plate, add the onion, then cover with kitchen paper, and microwave in 300 watts for 30 seconds. Dry the onion with kitchen paper, then set aside. After 40 minutes, this is ready for the toppings. Add the onions. Mayonnaise, black pepper, dried parsley, grated cheese or pizza cheese, You can add mayonnaise again if you like. And the dry parsley. Then put in preheated oven. Bake in 180 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes. Now the Japanese onion ham cheese bread is ready. Enjoy eating! Thanks for watching guys. See you again on my next video.